MC fans, so are we together? We are one. Hey, we are together. We are one. Spirit Church, are you together? We are one. Hey, we are together. We are one. Hello, my country people, my dear viewers, them, followers, them, subscribers, them. I thank you so much for believing me, for staying for day, for hearing news how it happened. Because they don't quarantine you small thing, then they come back for normal, they will start moving now. For the see thing that it happen, they will see the remain for here for the tale now. Wait till it happen, where they don't quarantine you inside house. MC Spirit Church on my name, I know the change, I know the shake. For the past days, I know be there. I want to tell and I say, I'll be sorry. I will go find some deep news for some forest. Time for come back, rain behold me. Yes, welcome for this PG News broadcast. We start on today, so I don't come back. I know, sir, they don't stay, so some people say Corona won't take me. Now, lie. Corona no dey here. You know, fit kill me. You know? We start with a big talk for today for this news. He say, waiting. Monkey like boxing, but the hand shot. Who started big talk come out? The big talk come out for Bamenda. For this young they call it in a rafter or a rapper. You know that music thing them, they sing better. That one thing and that rapping thing, I know them my head. Now for America, they know that one. Now the young talented rapper, they call it coded CK. He say waiting. Monkey like boxing, the hand shot. Without waste of time, if you want to know the details, if you just follow KC, you have to say, what do we mean by that talk? Who enter one news direct. We start with a locality for here, Dollar Center. What happened? Yeah, for the past days. It rain. Hey. It is a government will just supply canoe there for each house here. For especially Bonaberry, Mabanda side. So that way, bad you enter a canoe, your family, no stress. That when the carry cap will put our ceiling one in lake, you check up from ceiling, you go. Yeah! Master, I say now rain for the past weekend. For night, rain before all time, water, people that need sleep. I show them now for Bonaventure, they sleep now daytime. Now this incident so make MC Spiritual Choro. It go down, he says for street for see waiting. Say waiting happen for the days and rain before high it happens. As you see about spin so now rain that water outside. People that think that they swim inside house, you want your cotton skin or bed, you knock your skin out of water. Chua! Yeah! Won't go sumo. Where? Why the rain there so the time for do all here? You know, right? We'll go down for right. You know this place where water they ever stand there, don't try to fix and make water they come out. You know the waka. The road where they just tire, don't spoil again. Motor the one pass where they pass corner. Make engine don't lock inside water. Water the rain the force you they break. MC carry himself again go forever. Begin to use some time for here. Say waiting. They don't sell it house never broken. MC go down for see how it don't happen. As they never broke the house, then time to go to so that many people they stay small enjoy the house. But that go for see how it happen. As you see and so, you see some house there for the right stop, demolish as by council, as they right time the one they so same they scatter and you see now people that they broke firewood for that place and so the place so they call and pong the bois. They upload file for they sell and broke them, all that kind of thing. All this side so as you see the house and so. They don't mark as if they broke them. Make water they pass and see the open place and they breach show. Nothing that happen, but they well, we carry ourselves come up from Mabanda side. We go now for Pame Plus. Good. Now run about when I used to say water dirty. We water carry them. Run about it, say now play with can carry dirty. But when I water carry and can't keep on body. Only rain will no be there. All this weekend so for Douala no easy. We concern rain. I say no easy. You know only end for rain now accident that again under rain. I the tell our country people. Now for Dido, the boy carry white man. What a white man come outside at night they will rain the fall. Speed, you know them, night people, they run at speed, bam. Now in that year, Costa, they jump. Yeah. They jump that skin. I see why my heel slip or down, so I say, hey. So why man to the fall, eh? Hey, country people, more than not laugh, eh? You know, say we will grow up Africa, we use of fees, maybe why man ain't even shit, eh? We even know sometimes, say, something that they do them. I see why man sleep or down, I shock. I say, hey, why man sleep or down? Bike no man will fix you. Now, so it happen for die, though they thank God no man no die. The by man come up fine, get all the small wound there for a foot. The white man too, eh? They say come on at China because if you look toy, you know, say for they look at toy. If you they toy. If you get to nice small bruise for a year, but no man no die, all them will be safe. Police be candy, it happen. Okay, we carry on now so go Dakar, wait it happen for that side all of Douala Center here. Now police, this one they rescue a 6-year-old boy. Where family decide to go through it, pick water may die. Because they get sick way, they no go fit cure am, they no get money for cure am. Hey! Hi! You the kid blessing where God give you. Some people they even find out pikin when I am side, or even John get and say they gave a name, say they gave pikin. God give pikin just see where they do it. You decide to kill the pikin. I say nothing about Douala Center here. As you see that water so. They carry pikin and model that may die. Police too, they say God just sing out that ear. Sharp for information enter that ear. Van they take moto. Hey! Police are clap for them. Hey! Mama mia. They come now so they enter water. Choom. Hey choom. Swim so ga. Rescue that pikin. He never die. Or they don't drink water small, but they take it go hospital for release the water back, but he no die. So as we talk now, so all the family, then 7, Mami o pa you will be just there as don't cut all the day for custody now. For check whether they so they decrease or they no man for do that kind of thing. For take God the blessing, go through our water. Well, thank God, country people, they begin to die now. They dey for hospital, they receive treatment. I can't carry cash. Accident. They will end too much here. Huh? I see the city taxi man so for screen here. And the bike. They meet up taxi man come on his own road. I don't know one are steering tight or tire bent tight on a hand. He leave the other side. The Tuesday, the Monday morning, so yesterday. He leave his side so vam. Jam that by man on the other side. The by man on Doshi. You know that fly over where the December car they touch now? But now very people that know. The man the December no way, no bush, no they make go. They don't beat that place block am. He dodge the taxi man stay, he hit people that angle. I don't know whether the taxi man be the sleep on a hand. But thank God say the by man no die. God save him. They jam me to so back where we carry him. It be long the way we bike no really sleep for them so. Now just the head by scatter. But the man force so just get bruises them, he will come very strong. As we talk now so the man just receive na normal treatment first aid them, he dey fine. No man no die, no nothing. Thank you so much country people. I carry una go side. Baba Joe Road, we come outside Douala here now so. We go for Baba Joe Road where we know say they fix out the link to Bamenda. And you see on the screen here so. That road, you know, easy, but the days they were ready to down the 4. Motor them park for one side, we no never cross. 70-seater, you will come on here on the Douala. Southwest, you can go Bamenda do some business. Ila have to say your business not be work as it be planned and for time. Motor them park, we no never pass. The one that they struggle for enter, the type is a more finished block road. Hey, Baba Joe, Bamenda, where? Unasha, una buy una helicopter. For helicopter, I know say no road no be spoiled. What I bad na you must go. My country people over that side. I will help una buy helicopter. No worry. Okay, Akaruna Golden Division. Wetin happen that side? Na SDO. Well, here the kind news I dey laugh. SDO tell DO say he want me married before 35. Then the first big man for married. Air country people, I know say na small pikin dem old man wey don old today, don the bad na bad, then the first see. I say na SDO tell his DO say wetin. Na a young DO, they never married. He tell you say wetin. He give from now to 31st December, make it choose wetin. He missing rib. Na so they call am missing rib. That mean rib wey be lost am. May find out whether the deal he ribs we don't go for water or may joke find out for day. Marry them. May that side get first lady. They never get all the so. I don't know reason why they for SDO. Whether the fear say that deal fit dey look picking them or other kind thing. You know say woman dey, you know we get that kind of long eye again. That SDO fit check fine them. You know the party they get wisdom. I say nothing that way SDO take deal for that side for Banzu division as I tell everybody so Banzu subdivision as I talk for that side. Now so it happened. Who come on that side come back. We see how it still happen. How the fear for corona it don't increase or it don't reduce. MCE says up carry camera go for street. As you see and so for screen. People now know the overwear face mask. I don't know. They see the thing not finish. With the year number that they have a people they present it. They call them preventive on a preventive measure them. If they die, na die. Air country people now need the fear. Position over cash now if you don't get face mask. People then they do that in the market don't open. To the tango say no, now so thing they turn the name about restrict human day 50 or other kind of thing. Who thank God to if corona don't go. Our prayer and so many things go. May he go na go. Well, country people, go news will happen for country. Now say wetin. Now Cameroon don't receive help, medication help them, vaccine them, other small thing, polio, wait. For help for treat picking them from who them? From UNICEF, United Nations Child Forum, that's what they call them. Now they don't receive the help and so dozens of medicine them. For help we, for say and say we born picking, may no one grow, we hit big pass on side, belly big pass on side, or we want grow neck in or so, or we hand in or so. That one so that for straighten picking may grow fine. Oh, now news that happen for we for country here. One of the sad news we happen for Boya put in for that sound I accept my condolence. Well, now this Paramount Prince Adi, Admi, look, they just woke up so one time for sharp so Prince himself don't just close eyes. We don't know why it happened. No clear investigation never go on, but police them as they did the issue, probably no day. We don't say any idea. True more come out when police did. Well, my country people, now news that way happen for we for area here. More take some news way happen for outside border way for our neighboring country them or other outside place where if you enter a plane, you fly, you go there. We go for Ivory Coast. Wait till happen for Ivory Coast country people. Now close to 7 people who the cry rate for Cameroon, cry rate for Douala. Yeah, it shows say some play the way bad pass way. Now for Ivory Coast, these 2 days continuous rain, it don't make up to 7 people die. They lost their life for flood. When me say wait, rain don't fall, water don't high, flood outside na water. Now so it means say flood, water they just carry anything past anyhow, any engine. Now so friend man they call it now engine anyhow it go, it happen. Now close to 7 families and now they cry for that side. Say waiting, that brother, that sister, that mommy, that pikin, that pa, he don't go when I wait in the water. Who thank God for Cameroon the rain before, always sweep them and trust them. That people would always sweep nothing them. But some side, in the key man, Well, country people, now news that I get up for you today, MC Spiritual Children and me, your favorite. As you see, and so the program, the work and nyafu, the endurance, so the sponsor again, be any other person, but senior design, where you say, wait, then you work on picking brain for build a machine, picking for check team or use computer, do where you look and say, no, if picking no commodity world, maybe command for outside that side and for side, very rich for it. Picking the being extraordinary. Senior design, thank you so much. Where the be the chief sponsor of the program. It be located for side now for Mabanda, for Bonaberi Douala precisely for here. Where they get a school section where they go on now. You feel rush, you follow number of screen, you follow number of screen as I did talk so, you did yes so, you copy that number, you call them direct, they register your people, you never feel rich, you just come, begin start school, start classes, tang, no shaking. Another one I wait sponsor now with them. Now this forum where they give and it's an opportunity, that's what they call it in English now, it's an opportunity. Grammar people there. We have possibility for Russia. You feel only paying your transport, you go study. The only opportunity for go Russia, go study for school. All the need for doing for pay all your school fees. How if you get to these people, only call that number on screen. The studio got direct one time. Me, I go take you and land up for the people that hand. They work all your team, work all your document. You learn exactly for school. You know the pay no school fee. That is all thing we get for do my country people now just pay a chance for go for the. They teach you do all thing. You come back, you be extraordinary, receive good salary, come picking with the country. No be so. Well, my country people, I thank you so much for shidon for day for year news will happen, how it happen. As I promise you now, I know the shake. Next time I know go fail. Tomorrow na another time. No miss the very time tomorrow. If you miss, listen now, your brother, we don't send link, is subscribe. One time. MC Spiritual Children and me, who I know the shake alias, waiting, Tobias. You see me for wedding, you see me for outside, but I know the go that place. Thank you so much.